Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove calcium from your faucet. First, gather your essential supplies. You will need white vinegar, a small plastic bag, and a sturdy rubber band. Also, make sure the area around your faucet is clear and accessible. This preparation will make the cleaning process much smoother and more efficient for you. Now, let's tackle that calcium buildup directly. Take your plastic bag and fill it with approximately 1 cup of undiluted white vinegar. Carefully place the bag over the faucet head, ensuring the affected areas are fully submerged. Then, use your rubber band to secure the bag tightly in place. Allow it to soak for at least 3 to 4 hours, or even overnight for stubborn deposits. After the soaking period, carefully remove the bag. You will likely see that the calcium deposits have softened significantly. Now, use a soft bristled brush or an old toothbrush to gently scrub away any remaining loosened mineral buildup. Pay close attention to the aerator and any tight spots. Finally, rinse the faucet thoroughly with clean, warm water to wash away all the vinegar and calcium debris. To keep your faucet sparkling and prevent future calcium buildup, a little regular maintenance goes a long way. After each use, quickly wipe down the faucet with a dry cloth to remove water spots. If you live in an area with very hard water, installing a water softener can be a great long-term solution. Also, consider doing a quick vinegar soak every 2 to 3 months as a proactive measure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.